Oh, so we've been using this company's mouse, whatever, for just about ever. And we've used all of them, I think. We have an EM100, a 200, a 500. They're there, they're upstairs, they're everywhere. But today we're taking a look real fast at the EKSA EM600. Yeah, and it's their pricing is nuts, right? Like for a mouse, 20. This is like on sale, I think, right now for like $24.99 US, the EM600. So we're gonna crack it open, take a quick look at what the specs are of this mouse, and see what we think. Okay guys, so this comes up as a new arrival, EKSA EM600. So see what it says here. Powerful 12,000 DPI optical sensor, TTC dustproof gold micro switch, sniper button and 8 programmable buttons, right hand ergonomic design and 90-gram lightweight, 12 customizable RGB backlight modes. This is the box. This is the box right there. That's it. Got a whole bunch of little specs and stats right there for you if that's of interest. There it is again, and EKSA. Yeah, we've used, I say we because my wife actually uses one of the EKSA mice upstairs on her laptop, and I actually use one on my iMac, and I use one here plugged into my Xbox Series X. So they all seem to be working very well. So no complaints, especially when you're looking at, I want to say like it's a budget mouse, because it is. And there you go. There's a bunch of information right there. I think that QR code will take you just to their website. Yeah, more information. Take you to their site, and you can download. It says the driver from the official site if you need that. So that's kind of cool, right? And last but not least, this is the mouse. This is the mouse. Throw that over there. This mouse definitely seems, and you can see it, right? It kind of has this little slant this way, which kind of fits your hand really quite nice. I love their cables. They have a lovely, like, thick braided cable on it, nice and long. It's exactly what you want for a mouse, right? Wired. These aren't wireless. Wired. This says the red dot winner for 2022, which is great, and it has a little tie for when you're traveling, right? And optical. And my guess is one of these buttons will change the DPI. And usually what happens is the color will change depending on which DPI you have, so you can kind of visually get an idea. Now I'm just going to plug this in and we'll take a quick look. You know what? Mice are, I always say a mouse is really personal. So, a mouse that I really like, you may be like, nope, I need something better. I'm not a professional gamer, or maybe you want a gaming mouse, etc., etc. So be it. Oh, there you go. See it light up? That's kind of nice, right? So you got that nice little color going on there. That's cool. That little button there maybe that just turns off the light, or does that switch the colors? It's just kind of cycling through the colors there now. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe. Well, that's cool. And then this one here, yeah, so these ones here, the plus and the minus, goes through the DPI sensitivity. And then I'm guessing this allows you, once you're done, to just change the color to whatever you kind of want, right? You get a whole bunch of, because it says like 9 different colors, depending on what you're into. I kind of like that one, right? And then this one, this little plus and this minus here, will go through the DPI. So right now, like for me, I'll bring this over. Maybe you guys can see that. Maybe you guys can see that. Maybe for me, that mouse, that's way too fast for me. I would need something slower because, again, I'm not doing gaming. But if you're gaming, you want that quick response. I get it. So I'm going to crank that down a bit, right? You'll see the color up top here change, green. You can see how slow that is now, right? You can go back up, kind of figure out where you want it. I think maybe on this one, maybe blue is good. So blue would be good there. But if you came all the way down, like, look how slow that is. I think that's the green one, yeah. And then you go to red, gets a little quicker. Crank it up. Blue was my friendly spot. Yellow, a little out of control. I don't know, cyan maybe? Nope, barely even see the mouse. And then purple is like ludicrous speed. So I'm gonna come back down to like blue. Yeah, that's happy for me. It's happy for me. And I think my laptop just died because it said low power, which is fine because we've given it a good feel. So I find this one probably one of the more ergonomic ones for sure. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got 2 thumb buttons on there, and you can hear, right? Decent clickers for sure. Mouse clickers are good, and it's got a really nice wheel on it for sure. Nothing on this side, but it does, like, it has a nice feel to it. And you have an area down here, which is also a clicky button, right? Right down there. And that is nice. It's nice because it fits right where your thumb is. So, I like that. Yeah, that's all right. 25 bucks. If you're looking for 25 bucks, you could go to your local, you know, Staples or Office Depot or Best Buy or whatever, and you could spend way more than 25 bucks for a way worse mouse than this one, without question. This one goes. I may actually move this one to the Xbox. Yeah, maybe to the Xbox because I think it's got a nice feel to it. Yeah. All right, guys. This is the EKSA maybe EM600. C600. Yeah, 25 bucks. You know what? Looking for a mouse? That's seems like a good option. All right, guys. I'll put links down below to their website, and that's it for me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and we'll have more videos coming out for you guys. Later, my friends.